Hello everyone, this is Morgan from Zhejiang Shanghai International Sales Department, and today I want to introduce some hot standing items in summer days. And there is a 4 pieces conversation sofa set, and first we can see the whole style is very simple and the color is very suited for the summer days. And we can see the fabric is very smooth, it's very soft, and it's a breathable fabric. It also has the waterproof function, so let me show you the function. We can see the water will be quick dry in the fabric, so we don't need to worry about to use it in the outdoor. And because we are in the summer days, so we can just take out the fabric and sit down on the loop. It will be also very cooler. So if you are interested about us, and don't forget to give us a like below this video. I will see you soon. Bye.